Hey guys, today we're unboxing the Rocket NVMe from Sabrent. So Sabrent is a manufacturer in the US. This drive it was made in Taiwan. You can check it out there, made in Taiwan, but it is developed by Sabrent in USA. So there's the website www.sabrent.com, and they supply, well, they've got a lot of drives, but this NVMe is a NVMe 4, as you can see. So the PCIe 4 motherboards that support the drives or support this feature is a good drive or a good motherboard to get. They do suggest that you get a PCIe 4 capable motherboard and also one with a heatsink, so that will definitely make the drive last longer. Another amazing thing that I see here is it comes with Acronis. This is imaging software, so that'll be a nice thing to use to clone your drive, maybe from your old drive to the new drive. Yeah, if you don't want to lose your data or whatever you have on the old drive or what, you can just clone it with the software for free. This drive is it uses the TLC with DRAM to store its data. So it's a triple layer. I think that's what TLC stands for, but it's a triple layer architecture, whatever, to store data. Okay, any case, so let's have a look at the drive. It just opens up and slides out. This box, it feels heavy, and it's a solid box that it comes in. So okay, and it looks like it comes in a solid case also. So that's what's in the box. This is a little aluminium box that it comes in. Yeah, so that's pretty nice. This is a 1 terabyte drive. You also get them in 512s and so on. There's a little booklet included, and this is unlock the speed. So this is just a little soft little pad. Actually, I don't know what that's for, but maybe it's to place the drive on. Then, yeah, there's the drive. So there's the NVMe. We can quickly take it out, have a look at it. But I mean, NVMe is just something that looks the same, all of them. But this has got a nice sticker on it, so it'll look nice on the motherboard. It'll definitely be a showpiece, but this will be covered in any case with a heatsink, so you won't see it, unfortunately, for that nice little sticker. You can see there it's got the memory chips on both sides of the device. Oh, and this device is actually upgradable. The firmware on it, the software for it, everything of this drive is upgradable and will keep up to speed. This can work in a PCIe 3 motherboard, so it is backward compatible, but the drive yeah, it'll just run slower and whatever. The TLC chips that's used on these are a bit more sensitive to power surges and stuff like that, so it's just something to consider when you buy drives like this. But it does come in at a better price because they can really fit a lot more data onto one chip because of the triple layer way of storing the data. So yeah, really like the box. I love what they did with the branding and stuff. So if you also like this, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.